Banner's 30mm mount illuminated emergency stop buttons are easy to install and hook up with no assembly, individual wiring, or additional enclosures required. The 30mm threaded mount enables a quick installation process. The robust all-in-one housing is ready to install out of the box, eliminating labor-intensive assembly and wiring. The e-stop button has a unique 360-degree round housing. This IP65 rated housing fully encloses the e-stop and has the required red button and yellow background to meet worldwide safety standards. The illuminated e-stop enclosure provides indication of an armed button, an actuated button,